Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you manage your business finances with QuickBooks, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to send a QuickBooks accountant copy. This is the easiest and safest way to collaborate with your accountant. No messy files, no confusion, just smooth, secure access. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. Click sign in and enter your email and password. Quick tip, if you're using a password manager, this is a great time to use it. It ensures you log in accurately and securely every time. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, select Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your QuickBooks account, including your accountant. Now, in the Manage Users section, click on Accounting Firms. Here, you'll see an option to add your accountant's email address. Type it in carefully. Double check for typos because sending access to the wrong address could cause unnecessary delays. After confirming the email, hit Invite. QuickBooks will automatically send a secure access link to your accountant. This allows them to view and manage the financial data they need without exposing sensitive parts of your business. And here's a pro tip. Once you've sent the invite, notify your accountant right away by email or phone. That small step helps them find the invite quickly and start working without delay. And that's it. You've just learned how to send your QuickBooks accountant copy the right way. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple business and accounting tech guides. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more QuickBooks tips and tricks. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.